Hey everyone! Have you ever wanted to turn your photos into those magical, dreamy Ghibli-style masterpieces? Well, you're in the right place, because in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using AI. First things first, make sure you're logged into ChatGPT 4.0. Once you're in, look for the small plus button on the screen. Click on it, then choose Upload from Computer. Pick any image you like. This could be a selfie, a landscape, or even a pet photo. Now here's the exciting part. Right below the uploaded image, type this prompt. Convert this image into Studio Ghibli style. That's all you need to do. In just a few seconds, your image will be transformed into a beautiful, Ghibli-style artwork. It honestly looks like something straight out of My Neighbor Totoro or Spirited Away. Let's take a look at it together. That looks amazing, right? Let's try one more, just to show you how powerful this is. Again, click the plus button, upload another image, and type in the same prompt. And there it is, another Ghibli-style masterpiece. It's fun, fast, and you can create so many different looks. You could easily share these on social media and get tons of likes and comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more creative ideas like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.